Artificial intelligence, the hidden cost of intelligence. How AI is quietly harming sustainability. It's everywhere, optimizing farms, reducing food waste, forecasting floods, and helping us track climate change. It sounds like a superhero we've all been waiting for. But what if the same hero is quietly burning through energy, water, and minerals behind the scenes? What if AI, while solving our crisis, is also creating slightly another one? Yes, it's smart, but is it sustainable? Let's start with this. Training large AI models isn't like charging your phone overnight. It's more like keeping an airplane engine running for weeks. Training a single model like GPT-3 or BERT involves billions of parameters, high-performance GPUs running for weeks, massive data storage and retrieval, retraining for each new version, and improvement. A study by the University of Massachusetts Amherst found that training one large language model can emit over 284 tons of carbon dioxide, equal to 5 cars running their entire lifetime. And this isn't a one-time process. We keep scaling, retraining, and upgrading models every few months. Data centers operate 24/7, consuming massive electricity. Cooling systems need millions of liters of water to avoid overheating. Rare earth minerals like lithium and cobalt are mined unsustainably for batteries, and GPUs waste piles up from outdated servers, chipsets, and hard drives. And while we see those apps on our phones, we rarely see the environmental backend that powers it. Absolutely. AI is being used to monitor deforestation via satellite, detect energy leakage in buildings, forecast renewable energy supply, improve water distribution systems, optimize traffic to cut down fuel use. But here's the paradox. Are we offsetting the cost or just shifting it somewhere else? Is it really sustainable to say AI helped us save water if it used millions of liters to train? This is where it gets deeply uncomfortable. Most AI research, development, and deployment is happening in wealthy countries, but the raw material extraction, waste dumping, and energy strain? That often falls on developing countries in the global south. Examples: cobalt for AI servers is mined in Congo, often under poor working conditions. E-waste is shipped to India, Ghana, and Vietnam, where it's broken down with minimal safety. Energy-demanding AI centers increase load on grids in power-scarce regions, especially in places like South Asia and Latin America. We're building intelligence on the back of inequality. This isn't about stopping AI. It's about building responsibly. We need green AI standards, encourage models that use less power and resources, environmental transparency. Tech companies must report energy and water use for each model, sustainable data centers, powered by renewables, located with climate in mind. Ethical AI audits. Add environmental impact as part of every AI ethics framework. Conscious education. Teach developers to consider climate cost alongside code efficiency. AI can absolutely help solve climate problems. But if the process of building AI creates more emissions, more waste, and more inequality, then what are we really solving? We're creating the future. But are we making it livable? Maybe the real intelligence isn't artificial, it's human. And it begins with asking the simplest question. What kind of world are we building all this intelligence for? Because a smarter world means nothing if it's built on a planet that can no longer sustain it.